So in this lesson, we're going to go over deploying OVF templates. You could get OVF templates pre-made from engineering or from the build team, what they're currently using, or you can actually create your own. The step-by-steps for that are in the virtual build document on the SharePoint or the mini build doc. So first thing we want to do is log into vCenter and then select File at the top, deploy OVF template. First screen is the source screen. And this is where you're going to browse on your data store to where you've actually put the OVF templates. So I'm just going to select one I've created. Select Next. The next screen is the template details of basically all the settings when the sizing settings for the VM prior to being converted to an OVF. Select Next. This page is the name and inventory location. When it's asking for the name, it's actually the name that's going to be used once the VM is deployed. So for this one, I'm going to just name it SVX sample VM. In the inventory location, I'm going to select my data center. Select Next. This page is the host cluster page. Select where you want to actually deploy this template. I only have one host because this is a home build basically, and I have limited resources. So select that host and select Next. Next page is a storage. Select the data store where you want all of the files that are associated with that VM to be stored. Select Next. The disk format page is going to give you an overview with available space that's on the data store that you just selected on the previous page. Defaults is thick provisioning. Because I'm in an environment where resources are limited, I'm going to select thin provision. Thin provision will grow as needed, where thick provisioning will actually allocate all of the space that is set for the maximum size of the disk space for that VM template. Select Next. Ready to complete page is a breakdown of everything you just went over. If you see anything odd, you could go ahead and select the back button at the bottom. You also have this option to power on after deployment. I don't want to do that because I want to change settings on this VM before I power it on. So once that's complete, I'm going to go ahead and select Finish, and you will get a pop-up screen just like this. It says Deploying SVX Sample VM, and it will give you the status. It'll pop up a status bar here, and then here at the bottom of the screen, you also have a status bar there as well. And once it's complete, you're going to see another pop-up that basically says it either completed successfully or it failed. Hopefully it's successful, but at that point you'll be able to make changes to that deployed VM in your inventory, because you can see on the left-hand side, I'm highlighting it now, where it's already been added to my inventory. I can't make any changes to it, obviously, until the deployment is complete. All right, so that's how you deploy OVF template.